Let's talk also about the US military campaign. Remember, Trump has referred to it as Operation Epic Fury, and it continues with strikes on Iranian targets. There have been more images that have come in, released by the US military, showing Tomahawk cruise missiles being launched, B-2 bombers, a term we're all very familiar with right now, flying long-range missions. The message is clear from America that no enemy will be spared. This isn't ending anytime now. US and Israel are continuing the bombardment of Iran.
Nicknamed the Beast, Ghost of the Skies, the B-2 Spirit strategic bomber capable of penetrating enemy airspace undetected to deliver massive, precise or nuclear payloads has been used by the US in its war against Iran. Pentagon confirmed that B-2 stealth bombers struck Iran's reinforced ballistic missile facilities. Armed with 907 kilograms of bombs, B-2 bombers struck Iran's hardened ballistic missile facilities. The precision-guided Tomahawk cruise missile struck targets from 1,600 kilometers away, even in heavily defended airspace. US Operation Epic Fury has struck more than 2,000 sites across Iran in the last 48 hours. Iranian Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei and dozens of senior regime officials were eliminated in the strikes. The barrage featured B-2 stealth bombers, F-22, and F-16 fighter jets, A-10 attack aircraft, EA-18G electronic warfare planes, and an array of airborne early warning and communications platforms. Missile defense systems, including Patriot interceptors and THAAD anti-ballistic missile defenses, were deployed as part of the operation. USS Gerald R. Ford, the world's largest aircraft carrier, is also in the fight with US forces supporting Operation Epic Fury, launching aircraft from eastern Mediterranean Sea. US forces are taking bold action to eliminate imminent threats posed by the Iranian regime, even as strikes continue. This video shows the impact of US strikes on Iran, which the US described as a large-scale strike to cut off the head of the snake. US forces have carried out over 900 strikes in the last 12 hours, while Israeli forces launched roughly 1,200 strikes in 24 hours, exceeding the pace of last year's 12-day Israel-Iran war. The United States has unleashed an array of weaponry against Iranian targets, including Tomahawk cruise missiles, stealth fighters, and for the first time in combat, low-cost one-way attack drones modeled after Iranian designs, showing its might to the world. Bureau Report, India Today.